name's Chris, I'm from Right Tune.
I'm Matt Samuel, I'm from Barn Sport.
I'm Danius, 911 Sport.
Phil, I'm the parts manager for Williams Crawford.
Simon Dawes, I'm from the northeast of England.
It's the scale of what these guys are doing here at JP Group Dansk and the efficiency and professionalism, it's unbelievable, and you can see the guys are also working really hard to keep the originality of the products, but also where they can make gains. So it's been really interesting. We've been shown everything from start to finish, from very small tiny bits of components to as it goes out and being boxed, even the packaging, the engraving on the parts. It's just fantastic, it's wonderful. If you get a chance to ever come here, like, the showrooms are insane. The amount of cars, it's like going to a car show. Yeah, I'd like to say thank you very much to Design 911 for taking us, and because obviously we're the end user of the product, so we only see it in a box, and seeing that, you know, the suppliers that you deal with, which is obviously, this is probably one of the greatest ones.
It's been a really fascinating trip. The sheer scale of the factory is unbelievable. The amount of parts that they supply, everything from the earliest Porsches right up to modern day stuff. Just they're constantly seem to be evolving, using new technology, looking for new products to come out with, not just sitting still with sort of old designs. They improve where they can. We use Design 911 all the time. We get deliveries every day, and without that we wouldn't be able to run the business.
Oh, it's been great so far. It really amazed me how big is the actual, you know, I would call it estate. There is so much actual labor, you know, involved. That really surprised me. You would expect everything to be automated. Yes, Design 911, it's always been great so far. Never really had any issues. It's one of the, you know, main supplier for us.
The vast array of product that is available, it's stupendous. The experience with the group itself, the guys that we've come out with, you know, it's just been a massive eye-opener to us. Major and supplier for us, you know, without them we couldn't do half of, you know, the restorations, the classics, the modern.
It's been very informative, been super impressed with the level of commitment and just the sheer volume of product that the JP Group actually makes, supply. The main thing is the body panel side of things. I didn't realise that basically there was enough panels manufactured to make a full car. You know, I'd like to thank everybody at JP and you guys at Design 911 for inviting me along. You know, without you guys I would struggle to do the day-to-day job, because, you know, the parts supply is always very good. The help I get off you guys as well when I'm struggling is always good, so, you know, it's a good bit of teamwork.